Welcome back to the classroom, aka my bedroom. Today we're going to go over some beginner computer building mistakes. To do so, we're going to go over my PC. So you can see cable management, not great for a beginner. Loading all your games off a hard drive, ooh, that's not cutting it. Getting a disk drive, ooh, thought those would be useful. 2x8 was enough back then, but for modern games like Civ 6, oh no. A 970, getting it right before the 1080 comes out. Missed that boat. Can't even come close to Civ or modern FPSs. Not getting onboard Wi-Fi. Ooh, buddy. The most mortal sin? No RGB. Alright, well, I hope we could learn at least a little something, laughing at my prior mistakes. Homework for tonight is go out and find a properly cable managed PC. Thanks. We'll see you tomorrow.